New year, new Ipsy, or Boxycharm. FYI, if I hold this up, will it adjust the lighting? I don't know either. I'm using natural lighting, guys. I mean, it's a new year and it's definitely still the same old hot mess, but it's raining, and so the natural light is a little ho-hum. But anyways, Ipsy sent over the Boxycharm by Ipsy. This is a January one, and I'm not gonna lie, I was 10 times confused because my girl Jody, when she did her unboxing, I guess it was December, the box was black, and I thought they were doing like the OG Boxycharm. They were gonna change things up. I don't know. I haven't heard anything as far as that goes, but I'm not gonna lie, I was low-key very excited when I saw her like send a picture of her Boxycharm box. I was like, oh my god, the nostalgia. Anyways, we're gonna be unboxing it. They did send us in PR. I did not make any picks, any choices or anything, but I will tell you all that today, when you guys are seeing this, Happy New Year, you guys will be able to go into your account and make your choices and your picks for your Boxycharm by Ipsy. Now, this is a monthly subscription, and you get to make, you know, 3 out of the 5 picks, customize it to yourself, and then they choose the others to you, and you get it every month. And if you want to pause it, you can pause it. We got some new picks. Do you guys see my little kitty sugar dumplings? Yeah. My baby child got me that picture for Christmas. Haley got me a little, that's the kid that likes to make me cry in like a happy tear kind of good way. I'm a lucky mama. You can't handle someone who can't stay on task. This isn't going to be the place for you. All right, so jumping right in, we got the foam. If you guys know about the foam, you know that I think that is one thing that they took from Boxycharm they should keep. Sometimes we only get this. So it does say scan to learn about the 5 products in your box. That I do like, because typically Boxycharm always had the card. Well, who cares? I'll talk about it in a minute. And I got so excited for a second. I thought it was a Charlotte Tilbury magic wand. It's not. This is still really good too. This is the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash in the shade Black. It is the mascara. This is actually a really good mascara. And I'm not even gonna fib, y'all. Like 2018, Rhonda and Haley, we used to freaking geek over this mascara. I will tell you, I haven't used it in a hot minute, but their Fan Fest mascara, so good, so amazing. But this is good too. I do like the wand on this one. It's kind of like, I don't know, it just coats all the lashes. So I will definitely be using that. Very happy with that. Next in here, I'm very curious of everything because Nicole and Jody have been talking about what was in theirs, and I like to keep it a surprise. So I've been trying to like not pay attention to what they got in their box. This is the KO Life Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser, which is good because I literally am like not even a week's worth left of my Tatcha, so I do need a new cleanser. This is a foam cleanser. I don't know honestly how it'll work for my super dry skin, but I have been using my Tatcha and the Anua skincare. Have you guys checked it out over on TikTok? So freaking good. If you guys have tried this one, let me know. This is actually one that's going to hydrate and glow. So actually, this sounds like it is going to work out well for my skin. Reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation. Gentle daily Vitamin C facial cleanser. Well, that's really good. We're going to set that aside. All right, next in here we have the OFRA Cosmetics Blossom Blush. Ooh, is this their new launch? Oh, speaking of OFRA Cosmetics, if you guys didn't know, my Hotmess Mama of 4 Project Influencer palette, Jody's palette, and my Sweet and Sassy palette are all being discontinued. So if you guys want to get those, definitely get those. Code HOTMESS will save you 20%. They actually had the Unconditional palette. That one's staying, guys. They had that on sale for $15.90. So, any whoosy whatsy. I have never seen this before. I have literally never seen this, but I freaking love it. I love the colors. This is absolutely stunning. Hold on, what's the names? Pink Satin, Pillow Talk, and Paradise Pink. So maybe this is like a custom palette because there's no mirror in here specifically for Ipsy or Boxycharm. These are really pretty. There's the shades swatch. Oh, this is really pretty. Now, I'll be honest with you, whatever the shade name is, I would call it Paradise Pink, but it may be Pink Satin. I don't know. That one honestly does not show up on my skin tone, but I think the other one is going to be just fine. Don't forget, my Sweet and Sassy palette, that's actually a blush palette, and I love to take the Sweet and Sassy eye topper because you can also use those on your eyes and mix them together. So that's what I would do for this, and top that over the blush, and you get a really pretty type of blush highlighter. Next in here, oh, I think this is what honestly I think this may have been what Nicole, let me see it. Yes, Nicole was talking about this. She said it was over $100 product. This is the Ms. Skin Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. So she said this stuff is actually really good too, and it's bougie and it's expensive, and yay, I'm excited to try it out. Fun little fact with hyaluronic acid, y'all, especially if you live in a dry climate, make sure before you put it on your skin, wet your fingertips. Have your skin even damp and then apply it, and I will even spritz my face afterwards, because I have found if I don't do that, our air here is so flippin' dry that it's just like searching for hydration, and it'll tend to make you look drier. So just a little skincare tip of stuff that I do to make my skin not look 150 years old. In here we've got the YC collection. Oh, it's an eyeliner duo. Okay, I'm really excited that it's eyeliner because I thought it was brushes low-key, and I was a little like ho-hum about it. Okay, so this one, oh, it's like a silver. Okay, and I do like, it feels like it's a soft, easy kind of gliding on. You guys see that kind of liner, which is good. I don't like the kind that tug. And this one, oh, it's a darker color. Well, that was beautiful. So it's just silver and black from what I can tell. Doesn't look like there's any shift in the silver. Hey guys, I'm inserting myself again. This is a shifty shade. I just walked into the other room. It only looks silver in here because my lighting is poo. But this is actually like a shifty, soft, like minty green. And it also has like a smudger on the other side. Hopefully this will stay put because I really don't line too often. But I will take a black liner and do my tight line. So we'll see. Sometimes those will like bleed all over the place. So we'll check it out. So as far as January goes, I'm actually content with this box. You guys know I normally like whine and complain over stuff when it comes to what I've been receiving lately, but I definitely needed a cleanser. I hadn't restocked. I completely forgot to restock on my Tatcha, and like I said, right now I'm using my Anua, but I can't, I'm afraid to use it every day because it's kind of got like an enzyme in there, so I don't want to disrupt my skin barrier. But I'm very happy with this because Nicole told me it's freaking amazing. We'll test out at least the black one. I feel like, oh hey honey, how long you been standing there?
3 minutes.
Really? You're so quiet.
I'm just watching the show.
Now my face is turning red. I was gonna say that I feel like the silver one, my 18-year-old would probably, I'm literally turning red. And I'm starting to sweat. Make me nervous. Oh goodness. So anyways, it says coming soon. Peek at some of the must-haves you could choose from Boxycharm in the next month. We've got Tarte, Rare Beauty, and then Origin. What brands would you like to see for 2025? For me, obviously Charlotte Tilbury. I love seeing the Natasha Denona. They did amazing with the end of the year Natasha Denona palette. That made me so happy to see that palette. I want to see brands like Charlotte Tilbury, more Natasha Denona, but what are some other ones? Like for me, you know, a brand we don't actually see too often, actually I feel like at all, is Sigma Beauty. I've got on, I still absolutely love the Sigma hydrating tint. That is so good, and especially if you have dry skin, I love it. I would love to see YSL. I don't think that would ever happen. It's so luxurious, but I would love, like, dream big. It's 2025, why not, you know? YSL would be awesome to see. I don't know, what if, you know what would be cool if they came out with a luxury box? No, it wouldn't, because that would probably be dumb expensive. Okay, I'm just thinking out loud, so I'm gonna hop off now, see what the hubs needs. If you guys want to sign up for the Boxycharm by Ipsy box, I will have an affiliate link down below for y'all. And thank you guys once again for sticking around, for being here, subscribing, sharing the video over on Facebook, wherever. I definitely appreciate it. And until next time, friends, check me out on my other channels. Of course, on TikTok. I am horrible. I was actually just talking to my girls today, Nicole and Jody, about how bad I am being on Instagram. I can't even tell you the last time I've been on Instagram. It's pretty bad. But TikTok, though, I'm on TikTok all the time. That is my mindless scrolling. I love it. I love it. I feel like people are just real over there on TikTok. It's a good fun time. Matter of fact, I'm gonna hop off here and probably jump right on my TikTok and just because that's what I do. Alright, well, you can find me over there on the TikTok. So anyways, friends, until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!